In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to grayscale in Bluebeam. Converting a color PDF to grayscale replaces all colors with shades of gray, which helps standardize documents for monochrome printing, reduces visual distractions, and can even lower file sizes and printing costs. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently in Bluebeam Review. First, open your PDF in Bluebeam Review. If you already have Review running, make sure the correct document is active, especially if you've got multiple tabs open. It's a good practice to work on a copy, so you always have the original color version available if you need it later. Next, go to the top of the Review window and click the document menu. This is part of the classic menu bar across the top. If your interface looks a little different based on version or profile, don't worry, the document menu is still located along the top area of the window. From that menu, choose Color Processing. This opens a dedicated dialog designed for adjusting color properties in your PDF. Give it a moment to load the pages. On larger files, it may take a second. In the color processing dialog, select Convert to Grayscale. This option keeps tonal detail by translating colors into corresponding gray values, so things like shaded fills and photographs remain readable without turning everything into harsh black and white. This is different from a pure monochrome or black and white conversion, which can remove subtle detail and halftones. Now choose the page range you want to affect. If the entire document needs to be grayscale, select all pages. If you only want to convert specific sections, pick a range such as current page or a custom span, for example, pages 5 through 12. Being deliberate here helps you keep color where you still need it, like on a cover or a diagram, and limit conversion to the pages destined for black and white printing. When you're ready, click OK. Bluebeam applies the conversion to the pages you selected. You'll see a brief progress indicator if your file is large. After it finishes, scan a few pages to confirm that lines, images, and shaded areas look correct. If something doesn't look right, use Undo to revert and adjust your page range or approach. That's all there is to it. Open the PDF, go to Document, choose Color Processing, select Convert to Grayscale, pick your page range, and confirm with OK. With this workflow, you can quickly prepare clean, consistent grayscale PDFs for printing or archiving whenever you need.